The president ayo-resume as per i-order senkantolo lesho ukuthi akabuyele emsebenzini. Simtholile kumphathi, even though he was busy today, he acknowledged ukuthi site and naye i-ruling wayibona, despite ke ukuthi baqashi bakhe ke naye ukuthi basaka Mtsinzi ubheke ukuthi bamtsinzeke ngoba ukuthi mhlawumbe kwaba late on Friday. So even us, we're also going to the Ministry of Education now. Kuyolungisa noma kuyoprocessa emaphepha emholo wa president as per inkantolo njengoba ishiphi, njengoba sathi ke ukuthi kuhola wagcina nga September 2022 kuze kube namuhla. So indzaba yemali yinto vele lejakekile. So now we are going straight to the Ministry of Education. We will meet the PS and probably will also meet the Executive Secretary ukuthi basi process lo mholo phinde futhi sibone lokuthi uyaqala yini lokuthi ahole kule nyanga come president. Otherwise now he's going to go to the Department of Maths and Science lapho khona funa ukuthi bamlungise timetable yakhe yokusebenza kwakhe njengoba inkantolo sithi akabuyele emsebenzini.